Hello guys, welcome to my channel for another tutorial. How to activate two WhatsApp on one Android phone. Can I install two WhatsApp on one phone? In this video, I will show you how to use two WhatsApp on one Android phone. To do that, open your settings. Type here dual. In most of phones, you will see this option. Here, click on dual messenger. Then click here. Here, simply turn on the WhatsApp and then click on install. Click on confirm. In some of phone, we don't have that option. If you search in your phone dual here in settings and you cannot see the dual messenger, don't worry. You just go back and scroll down. Here, click on app cloner. And you are able to select simply WhatsApp from here. Turn it on and then rename by yourself. Name it any name you want. For example, WhatsApp 2. Then click on save. As you can see, right now we have two WhatsApp in our phone. Select your language. And here tap on agree and continue. Here type your new WhatsApp number. Then press next. Here click on OK. And then press on continue. Then type the code. Then type your name and click on next. You are done. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.